Hello guys, and welcome back to this channel. Where today guys, I'll be showing you how to check payment history on Netflix. So guys, the first thing that you of course need to do is go to Google and type in netflix.com. After that, you just need to go and log into your profile or register to Netflix if you haven't already done that, of course. And of course, you need to also go and subscribe to Netflix. But now guys, let's see what we actually have in front of us here. So in the top left corner, we have the home, TV shows, movies, new and popular, my list and browse by languages, and in the top right corner we have your profile, as you can see. But now guys, let's see how you can actually go and check payment history on Netflix. Well, click on your profile icon in the top right corner and select account. So go here and then click on account. Then scroll down to, of course, your profiles and then click the profile that you want to, of course, manage. Of course, click here. And then what you need to do is go and click billing details. So when you go to billing details, you can do it here, but you can also go back and have it, of course, here where all your profiles are. So you have the membership, manage membership, the membership and everything in the left side of the screen. Then you'll see payment history, including past charges and the dates they were billed. You can also download a copy of your billing history if, of course, needed. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope that you found this video informative and entertaining, guys. If you did, don't forget to like this video, share it, subscribe to the channel, and put the notifications on, as guys, this really helps us grow our channel. So if you have a few seconds, it will be pretty cool if you could do this for us. So guys, that will be everything for this video. I hope you enjoyed it, and guys, as always, I'll be seeing you in the next video on this YouTube channel. Until then, as always, until next time, bye guys.